Doug.
Imagine if we could tell everyone here that Liberty Mutual customizes car insurance to save people hundreds.
We interrupt your broadcast with a message from the United States national government. This is not a drill. We repeat, this is not a drill. An anomalous event classified as an anatological irregularity has been detected across multiple states. This event affects biological termination processes and post-mortem stability. At this time, there is no indication of environmental contamination. These instructions will help keep you safe. Stay indoors. Avoid reflective surfaces at all costs. Do not attempt to record or document anything. Do not observe deceased individuals for extended periods. Reports indicate the presence of a humanoid visual anomaly associated with this event. The anomaly may appear indistinct, shadowed, or masked. Its appearance may vary depending on the observer. If the anomaly appears in a reflection, close your eyes immediately. If you believe the anomaly has manifested behind you, do not turn around. Auditory hallucinations, perceived time loss, and feelings of being watched are expected effects. Please note that this is based on incomplete data, and if you discover any discrepancies, please notify us immediately.
Leave him! It's a mascot!
Oh, what's this? A fan has run out onto the field and he's not wearing pants.
Do birds need pants?
Leave him!
And the control room censored it. Oh!
Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty.